Hi guys, good morning. I just want to share some inspirational thoughts in this Christmas. Sa tanan nga ma-celebrate sang Christmas together with their family and with their loved ones, please cherish the opportunity nga nagtililipon kamo. Please enjoy every moment, pray together, eat together, and laugh together. Because not everyone else has given an equal opportunity. May mga pamilya nga gusto man nila mag-celebrate sa Christmas together, pero may mga nauna na nga nagpuli. So, hindi na sila kompleto. May mga nagpaalam na, may mga ang iba naman nag-abroad, so gusto man nilang magpuli, but it's not possible. Also, ang iba naman like me has commitments in work nga hindi gid pwede mapaliban. So, sa tanan nga maga-celebrate nga kompleto kamo and you have this opportunity to share the meal together, please enjoy and be grateful for that moment. Also, hindi tanan nga tawo palarehas ang celebration sang Christmas. Hindi tanan merry during this Christmas. May mga tao nga in mourning during this season. May mga tao man nga may mabugat nga ginaagyan sa sini nga season. So, I pray nga tanan kita maging kind sa kada sitwasyon nga may ara kita, and just want to share nga ining season gamito naton para nga i-bless man ang iban. So, may mga nagapamangkot nga ano gid bala ang reason sang Christmas. Actually, the reason for Christmas is Christ. So I am sharing with you the verse in the book of Isaiah, chapter 9, verse 6. It says, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful, Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." So sa linya pa lang nga, for to us a child is born, meaning we are the reason why there is Christmas. The reason why there is Christmas because Christ was given to us. But the world is trying to take it off. We at a call center, hindi kami allowed maghambal nga Merry Christmas. Instead, we are encouraged and trained to say Happy Holidays. Ang holidays nga word nag-symbolize na siya sang festivities, celebrations, or off for work. Amo na siya yung holidays. But the reason gidya sang season yan ni dapat Christmas with the word Christ. And even sa aton nga mga Filipino, we tend to substitute the word Christ as symbolizes as X. So kung makikita ninyo sa mga Christmas parties, sa mga lines nakabutang nakasulat Merry Xmas, we tend to delete Christ in Christmas. But the main reason why there is Christmas is Christ. So hindi man Merry aton Christmas, may mga ginapang agyan man kita. This is not about us. It is about the reason uh, why Christ was born. Actually, wala sa Biblia ang December gid nga date or month nga natawo si Jesus. So, basahon taman from Genesis to Revelation, there is no such thing as December 25 as birthday ni Jesus. But, i-google nyo na lang nga ang December natin gina-celebrate ang Christmas. But I think it's about culture and traditions nga gin-adapt lang naton. But regardless of the date, the reason for the season is Jesus who born to save us. He is born to die for our sin. So, amo pa lang na ang reason, very deserving na to celebrate Christmas regardless of your situation. May spaghetti man ang lamisa ta, or may lechon man, or bisan Angelina lang with Angelinas, Angelina nga tinapay with palaman. Be grateful for those things because the Christmas itself is far behind those celebrations, is fine behind the preparing of foods. So actually, kung basihan ginaton ang pagkatawo ni Jesus, it's a birth of rejection. Kung balaan nyo ang story, di ba, ginreject si Mary kag si Joseph during the census, wala sila may matulugan. ginreject sila sang tag-iya sang inn or mga hotel sa aton subong kay tungod puno na. So ang ending si Jesus didto gin bata sa pasungan kay tungod wala na sila sang may masudlan nga wala na sila matuluyan kumbaga during that time. So it's a birth of rejection. So kung rejected ka during this Christmas, if there is someone nga makaintindi sa imo sitwasyon, that is Jesus. He's been rejected even since birth. And then it's a birth of danger. Kung mabalaan nyo man ang story, ginpabisita ni Herod ang 3 wise men kay ang iya nga purpose, balik kamo sa akon, itudlo nyo kung diin siya na tawo kay para makasimba ako sa iya for me to worship. Pero actually, the purpose of Herod is, kung mabalaan niya kung din bata si Jesus, patyon niya. Kay nadlukan siya nga ma-take over ang iyang throne as a king. Kay gin-prophesy si Jesus to be a king. So, hindi siya gusto nga malapawan or mabuslan, naghambal siya nga amo na itudlo sa iya kung diin. So, ginkadtuan sang 3 wise men si Jesus, nag-visit sila, but then the angel guard them, nga hindi sila mabalik kay Herod. So, it's a birth of danger. So, kung rejected man kita or disappointed man kita or even betrayed man kita, si Jesus ginay makaintindi sa imo because all those things he was experienced. Yes, he was betrayed. For sang tawo nga malapit sa iya, nangin kaupod niya, naging friend niya, even prayed with him. And who's that? It's Judas. Ginbaligya sa ni Judas, gintraidoran sa ni Judas. Pero si Judas upod niya sa mga times nga to. So if you are betrayed by people who are close in you or a member of a family, may makaintindi gyapon sa imo, and that is Jesus. So may this season brings us peace, knowing nga si Jesus, we have best friend, may makarelate sa aton, may makaintindi sa aton. May this season brings us the thought that it's beyond celebration, it's beyond the food, it's about family, it's about love, and it's about who is the reason for this season. So, may this season brings joy, happiness, and assurance that we have a friend in Jesus. Merry Christmas and a joyful celebration